Want to avoid using long HDMI cables? Use this instead. Picture this, you have display here and the video source, or AVR, is all the way over here. So how do you get a signal to this display? If you think the solution is to wire a standard HDMI cable, then you'd be wrong. There's a better way to do it, and it's called Extend from HDA. If you're using 4K, then most HDMI cables stop working reliably after 5 meters, which is a measly 16 feet. The longer your HDMI cable, the more fragile it is to install and the more expensive it becomes. That's where we can help. Sold in a pair, a transmitter and receiver, Extend is a video extender that converts HDMI into something that can travel over normal network cable, like Cat6. So it can be used to extend your HDMI signal up to 150 meters away from your video source. Cat6 is inexpensive, easy to install, can be integrated into patch panels or wall plates, making it perfect for this scenario. Depending on your models, they can transmit HDMI video with full 18 gigs per second bandwidth and will support the latest video formats like 4K, HDR, and even Dolby Vision. And the delay? It's incredibly small, around a millionth of a second, so completely unnoticeable and perfect for gaming too. Picking your Extend depends on just 2 things: if you want 1080p or 4K and how much distance you need to cover. Here's a run through of your options. The Extend 2K150 supports full HD 1080p up to 150 meters using Cat6 cable. This version is really popular with CCTV systems or those who don't really watch much 4K content. It also has ports to take your remote control commands back to the source and also features a local HDMI out port, perfect for a second screen. For those watching 4K, then your options are between the 40 meter or the 100 meter Extend. Extend 4K 40 comes with HDMI in, HDMI loop out, so great for that second screen, and I/O ports so that you can use your remote control to send commands back to wherever your video source is. This is our choice for most living rooms, gaming setups, and cinema installs. The 4K 100 features the same ports as the 40, but also has a stereo output to extract audio if you need it. This Extend works up to 100 meters and is used mostly by bars, pubs, and hospitality, where video sources like Skybox is located far away from the display or projector. Every HDA Extend extender comes with a standard 2-year warranty and includes power supplies for UK, EU, US, and AU. So if you're struggling with HDMI distance limits, there's a much better option than running massive cables. Just Extend. Visit HDA Systems to learn more.